Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Hey good people, today I am bringing you the latest news of Skeem Saam actress. The South Africans' favorite soapy Skeem Saam has announced that Sis Oma on the show has passed on. Her real name is Nokuzola Mlengana and she passed away today. They shared the news on their Instagram page and wrote, "What a painful loss this is to us. We love you and we will always miss you dearly. Rest in peace, Nokuzola, Sis Oma Mlengana. May her family accept our warmest condolences and we send thoughts of peace and courage." Mzansi has been sending their condolences on social media. One commented, "Sad, painful, we're living within uncertain times, indeed." One also said, "Skeem Saam won't be the same again. I still can't believe this. May her soul rest in peace and I'm sending love and prayers to her family. We will miss Sis Oma dearly." Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye good people.